Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a 5-star NPC Blanc Snow Sculpture in Heartopia. But first, make sure you have already unlocked this snow sculpting hobby and reach level 5 as the maximum level. And if you don't know how to unlock it or level it up, just check the tutorial links in the descriptions to watch the tutorials. And then next, now the important part, to get the 5-star NPC Blanc Snow Sculpture like this, that looks so perfect like this. You must sculpturing the correct wither. It can appears at the It can appear at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow like this, almost all weather, and then all the time like this. So just wait for one of these before starting. And then next, just begin this new sculpting mini game, and then during the tapping rounds, just try to clear as many rounds as possible. Because the more rounds you successfully complete, the higher your chance to obtain a perfect sculpture like this. It's so perfect like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.